Hey, welcome to SaaS Tool Insider, where we share tools that help you build faster, easier, and without the usual headaches. If you're using WordPress and tired of slow page builders or plugins that cost too much, Stackable might be the only block plugin you actually need. Stackable is a powerful design plugin that upgrades the WordPress block editor, giving you clean, customizable blocks, pro-level design tools, and full creative control. No code, no extra theme builders, just one streamlined plugin that helps you design fast and look good doing it. And the best part? It's available right now as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Custom blocks that work. Stackable gives you 40+ versatile blocks, everything from pricing tables to hero sections to feature grids. They're beautifully designed, easy to customize, and flexible enough to fit any layout you're building. Global design system. Set your fonts, colors, and spacing once, and Stackable applies it across your whole site. No more restyling every page. It's clean, consistent, and saves hours. Advanced controls without chaos. Need more control? Stackable gives you spacing, visibility, effects, and responsive settings, all in a clean, user-friendly interface. Design freedom without the overwhelm. Dynamic content. Want your content to update automatically? With dynamic content, Stackable connects to your posts, custom fields, or WooCommerce products. Perfect for blogs, client sites, or anything that needs to stay current. No manual updates needed. UI kits and wireframes. Short on time? Use UI kits for polished, ready-made pages, or wireframes to map out a layout before you design. Start fast, build smart. Motion effects. Want some flair? Add smooth motion effects to make your site feel alive without bloat or janky animations. Built-in integrations. Stackable works with the plugins you already use. WooCommerce, ACF, WPML, and more. It fits into your workflow without breaking anything. Role Manager. Working with clients or a team. Stackable's Role Manager lets you control who can edit what. No more accidental layout disasters. Support that's actually helpful. And if you ever get stuck, support is fast, friendly, and backed by a helpful community that actually responds. Tools like this usually lock you into yearly payments, and the costs stack up. But Stackable's AppSumo deal is pay once, use forever, even on unlimited sites if you grab the top tier. That's a massive win if you're building multiple projects or client sites. Thanks for watching SaaS Tool Insider. Hit like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.